Understanding flashing and building paper for your project. Flashing and papering your project is very important to any job. It ensures a proper barrier to keep the elements out, so take your time to make sure it is done right. Installing bottom row flashing. At the bottom of your installation, you will use this type of flashing as well as over windows and doors. Once you have determined your start height, you will install the bottom channel. We would like to demonstrate how to cut and install this flashing around corners. First, determine your length to the corner. You will want to overlap your flashing by a couple inches, so add that to your calculation. Mark the distance, and then using a square, mark the flashing as seen here. Now cut down the flashing and across. Do the same on the other side. However, when it comes to following the line on this side, leave about 1/8 of an inch to overlap as seen here. Inside corners can just be overlapped. Here you see a J channel. It is used to hold tiles in at the top of an installation or under windows. Window flashing. It is important to create an end dam on the ends of window flashings. This prevents water from running sideways under the flashing. Here we show how it is done. First, cut the end as seen here, then use your pliers to bend up the metal. This is the point in which you will measure your window flashing distance from. Now do the same on the other side. On arches, there are a few different ways to flash. You can use a special flexible barrier skin that is applied with a glue, or, as seen here, we use a metal flashing. Cut, as seen here, every few inches along the top and edge. Depending on the arc of the arch, you will vary the distance between cuts. Building codes and methods are often changing and vary from place to place. You can check with your local building inspectors for requirements in your location. Here we are installing the building paper. Always, always make sure you start at the bottom and overlap each consecutive piece above. Ask your supplier for the overlap and taping requirements for the various types of house wraps. See here, building paper should cascade all the way up the wall. Building paper is primarily an air barrier. A quality job of wrapping the building will reduce air penetration, so take your time to make sure it is done right.